Alright, what's up guys? I got a little explaining I need to do here at the beginning. Most of this footage is on the GoPro mic. This is what I usually use. It's a GoPro mic adapter and I just use one of these little mics. Sometimes these will go bad. I actually keep a stockpile of these. I always keep like 4 or 5 of these all the time because they'll blow out. I recorded the first day. I went and I uploaded it. I noticed that the audio was all on the GoPro mic, so I just replaced this. And it was actually this that went bad. So this whole video is pretty much on the GoPro mic. I mean, you definitely know what I'm saying. It sounds muffled. You hear rattling from the GoPro case and everything, and I apologize about that. It doesn't sound good at all. I'm sorry. Stick around if you can. If you can't, I mean, I get it. The audio is really bad in this one, but here it is. I'm back out here. Got the turbo back. I cannot express how awesome Excess Boost is. They did it in a day when they didn't have to do it. He came and picked it up Saturday night, brought it back to me Monday night, and they weren't there Sunday. I'm so happy. If you guys, listen, I understand if you guys have like a turbo shop right down the street from you. If you guys are gonna send your turbos out regardless, like if you're gonna send it a couple states over or something like that, at least call Excess Boost and see if they can do what you want done. They'll probably be cheaper and they're gonna take care of you. Follow them on Instagram. I even know they had Instagram, but they're not taking care of me because they think I'm gonna make a good YouTube video. That's 1000% honest. Like, I never told them my YouTube channel name or anything like that. They just always 100% took care of me. I knew what I was getting into when I bought these turbos. You know, he got them from an auction, from a turbo company that went out of business. It could have been a nightmare, and they've made it super easy. They've taken care of me really good. Just go follow them on Instagram for me. I'll put up like a screenshot right now. It's just 2 guys that actually care about turbos. But all right, now that I'm done kissing their ass, one of you guys sent me the maintenance book, and there are a lot of grounds. There's 11 grounds in here. 2 of them are into wheel wells. I guess these, I don't know what these do. I don't know what these do right here, but those got to be sanded down and grounded. And then there's just grounds everywhere. I can walk you through it if you guys care, but there is a lot of grounds on here. There is one that comes off the intake to the firewall. And then, oh yeah, one of you guys said that this needs to be grounded. This right here. But this is like this since I got the car. Is there supposed to be a wire that comes off of this? You guys were saying it in the comments of my last video that this brown plug over here needs to be grounded for the engine to start. But I ordered all really nice braided heavy gauge ground wires to help clean this up a little bit. I'm just going to put on these ground wires I got laying around, pretty much stereo wire, and see if I can get this thing grounded. I'm pretty much just going to use a bunch of these because I got these here. But my good ground should be here in a couple days, and I'll make them all really nice. But yeah, there is grounds like everywhere. Pretty sure I'm not gonna go back and look at the pictures. I might just throw those up right now. I'm gonna try to hide them so they're not just all over the place like they were when I first got this car. Oh, and I gotta get this turbo on. I'm so excited that they got me this turbo back. All right, I gotta get to work. I don't know how much I'm gonna film. I'm just gonna run around and put grounds all over the place on this. Look at this. This is gonna work out perfect. This actually was the power cable that went to the 6-liter. This used to be the power that hooked to the truck battery. You know, those like side posts. It bolt on like that, and then down to the starter. This is gonna work out perfect for here as a ground. I just took off all the red off it. I'm gonna clean this up and put new loom on it because I can go to the transmission, over to this subframe, and to the battery. Oh yeah, by the way, I just haven't been recording it. This is now the 3rd time I've done this. I've either changed the plug or I've at least cleaned them off. I didn't record it because I figured it was obvious that I would check my plugs before I complained about everything else, but obviously it wasn't. I have been checking my plugs. I believe I've shown this multiple times. I gotta put the turbo on, gotta put the radiator back in, and I gotta get all this over here all situated. I believe everything is hooked up. I'm gonna try to turn this thing over. Okay, so this whole day was pretty much a wash because I didn't know about the ignition control ground wire yet. Okay guys, back out here. One of you guys commented that this needed to be grounded right here, and I didn't know what you was talking about. And then one of you guys sent me, the same guy that sent me the stuff for the booklet for all the grounds. This, I guess, needs to just, you put like a alligator clip onto this to the ground, and it allows you to adjust the timing. I don't understand what that does. Look, I've done 350s. I've done Chevy 350s, and I've done some 302s. Usually you just put a timing light on cylinder 1, and you move the distributor cap into the teeth are lined up to where you want it to be. But this, it doesn't have like a 0. It goes like 20, 10, and then there's, I thought that was a 7, mine's kind of rubbed off. I guess it's a T, so I don't even understand what that means. But thanks, Paul, for sending me pictures out of your book that shows that that needs to be grounded, and then I should be able to adjust the time. I'm gonna replace these rear spark plugs again. I did the front ones off camera, and they were a little burnt, but I'm sure these back ones are completely burnt. So I'm gonna replace the plugs. I'm gonna ground that off with an alligator clip, and we're gonna see where we're at. I don't understand what this is. If I just put a ground in there. I'm gonna try that. I don't know what any of this does. I'm probably gonna blow it up right now. Okay, let's try to start this again. And I backfired. Now that I got that grounded, that timing light was way the f off. Okay, so this is where I'm at. I just want to update you guys. I'm waiting for a buddy to call me back that his friend works on a lot of DSMs. So this is what happened. Before I had that properly grounded, I had the timing light on it and I could get it right around 5. It seemed to run better at 15, which makes sense because once I got that grounded, it was actually way past 0. And then once I turned it even more, it got closer to 5. It started running all right and then it backfired. Now I can't get it to even start again. I'm pretty sure these back plugs are fried again because they constantly keep frying on me. So if that thing's not grounded, I don't understand what that even does, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna act like I do. This timing light is way off. So I'm gonna do these plugs while I'm waiting for him to call me back. There's no point in recording me taking this intake back off again. I'm almost guarantee you that the rear plugs need to be done. Look what I just found too. They tapped this. There's definitely a little crack in there or something because this was full of oil. There's definitely a crack in there from them tapping this. So instead of sitting here putting silicone in this bolt and waiting 24 hours, I got plumber's tape and an O-ring on this. I'm just gonna put in there for now. I will end up taking this back out, clean it up, and put silicone on this. Okay, all new plugs. Got that one little leak sealed up. Hopefully it doesn't foul these plugs out immediately because I don't have any more. This is my last set of plugs. It's like almost there. I don't understand what that wire does that completely changes. While I was doing this, I just remembered that fuel is not the freshest fuel. I mean, that definitely could be a little bit of it. I don't think it's gonna be this rough. That fuel's probably 8 months old. I gotta drain that fuel tank and fill that up. Okay, I'm gonna siphon some gas out of here. Throw 10 gallons of fresh fuel in here. Just see if that helps. I completely forgot all about the fuel being old. I wanted to drain this back when I did the fuel pump. I forgot. I know there's a drain plug on the bottom of this tank. I feel like that's gonna be a real big mess. And the Huracan's in here, and I don't want shit splashing everywhere, so I'm just gonna sit here and wait and do this. Okay, so I ended up just hooking a hose up to the pump because I forgot that I did that fitting. I literally just slid the hose off, put a new hose on. I didn't want to sit here siphoning gas forever when I could just turn the pump on, have it empty in 3 minutes. Alright boys, this is gonna be the end of this video. I apologize for the audio once again. Pretty sure I got it in time. It's rated at 5. I was reading online last night. A couple people were saying it seems to run a little bit better around 7. so I might advance it a little bit more, but I'm 90% sure that the reason why it's stuttering like that, especially when I hit the throttle, it like wants to bog out. I just completely forgot that that fuel was that old. It's easily over a year old. So I'm gonna get fresh fuel today, and hopefully it's running good in the next video. I know there's gonna be a few of you that tell me to send these injectors out and have them cleaned. I'm gonna upgrade these injectors anyways. I'm getting 1000cc injectors, a fuel pressure regulator, new fuel lines, and an ECU. I just wanted to break this engine in stock, so that's the plan. I'm gonna go get fuel right now. It's Monday, but want to get this video out for you guys today, so that'll be in the next video. Again, I really am sorry about the audio. That sucks that happened, but what are you gonna do? See you in the next one.